Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Webflow API. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to Webflow's official website and log into your account. After logging in, select the profile or workspace under which you want to operate. Next, find the project or site you want to connect to the API. From your dashboard, locate the site, click the three dots beside it, and choose Settings from the menu. This will open the Settings panel where you can configure different aspects of your site. Now, scroll down and head to the Apps and Integrations section. This is the most important part because it's where you can connect external tools and services, including the Webflow API itself. Inside this section, look for the option that says Generate API Token and click on it. You'll now be prompted to name your API token. Once named, click on Generate Token. Webflow will instantly create a unique token which acts as a password that allows external programs to access and control parts of your website through the API. Next, copy the token by clicking the Copy button. Be careful here. This is the only time you'll be able to view it. Once you close this window or leave the page, Webflow won't show it again for security reasons. After copying it, click Hide Token Forever to lock it away. And that's it. So that is how you can use Webflow API. So that's all for this video. Thanks.